Tarbela Dam. Did you know that Tarbela Dam is the largest earth-filled dam in the world? It is located near Swabi and 105 kilometers northwest of Islamabad. This humongous dam was constructed on the River Indus, a river in Pakistan. The primary purpose of the dam was to store water for irrigation and the generation of electricity. The construction of the dam started in 1968 and ended in 1976. The dam was built 143 meters above the river belt, with a storage capacity of 11.1 MAF. The maximum elevation level of the dam is 1,550 feet. Speaking of electricity generation, the dam has 17 water turbines solely dedicated to producing hydroelectric power. With a power generation capacity of 4,888 megawatts, the Tarbela Dam produces around 70% of hydroelectric power. Tarbela Dam in Pakistan. Rawal Dam. Rawal Dam, one of the most famous dams in Pakistan, is located in Islamabad. The dam was built to provide water supply to the twin cities of Pakistan. The construction of the dam started in 1962. The dam has a water capacity of around 42,000 acre-feet. Apart from being a water storage facility, Rawal Dam is also one of the most famous places to visit in Islamabad. People come here for recreational activities such as horseback riding, boating, fishing, and vice versa. It is also a perfect family picnic spot. Rawal Dam in Islamabad. Diamer Basha Dam. Most of the significant part of this dam is located in the Kohistan district, KPK, and a small portion is located in Diamer, Gilgit-Baltistan. Currently, the dam is under construction, and after its completion, it is anticipated to be the world's highest dam. The dam is being constructed on the River Indus.